Hey there folks, just out doing a quick mod today on the DR. I've got a B&B Off Road case saver and a 14 tooth front sprocket to fit to it. I picked this up from Adventure Bag Australia. I just paid 70 Australian for the case saver, and I think it's around about $20 for the front sprocket. So all up delivered is about 120 New Zealand is what I paid for it. Right, let's get the tools open and get this fitted.
All eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new pair of shoes. I got the attention, I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step, I got a fresh new attitude. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So anyone who tried to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now. New look, got the ladies shook. New watch saying it's my time. These magazines wanna feature me, cause they know I'm on the rise.
Right folks, now I've got the rear axle slack, jacked the bike up. I'm going to take this sprocket, the old sprocket cover off. Just 3 bolts and it pops off. Now you can see the old sprocket in there. It should be a 15 tooth sprocket there, I think. I'll slacken the back chain adjusters off and then 3 10mm, and then that'll pop off. That is the standard 15 tooth front sprocket there. As you can see, there is quite a bit of wear on it. So I'll probably just chuck this one actually anyway. While this is off, I'm going to give it a wee clean down with kerosene, and then we can stick the new one on.
The attention, I'm on a mission. Cause ever since I flipped that switch, my power can't be denied. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up.
One thing you want to make sure is your DR has this seal protector fitted on there. This comes standard on Suzuki Dr650s. I think it was around about 2017 they changed it. You can buy this part for your older Suzuki from the dealer. It's not expensive, but what happens is this seal here tends to pop out on the older models and then you lose all your engine oil. So if you don't have one of them, get one of them fitted. Right, let's slap this new sprocket on. Now I don't have any grease at home, but if you did, I'd just put a tiny bit of grease on those splines. Now this rubber piece doesn't fit back on. You can just chuck this in the bin. And also this sprocket retainer here, we're going to need to cut it down a bit. If I slide that on there, you can see it hits the chain. So what we need to do is cut this into a wee triangle, and then it can go back on. You can buy this. I think Pro Cycle sells a cut down one, so does Adventure Bike Australia. However, I'm just going to cut down the one I've got.
So anyone who tried to ride me on, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now.
Right, now that's cooled down, let's fire it on. As you can see, it's a lot smaller than the original one. As you can see there, it's nowhere near the chain. Just put a wee touch of Loctite on the bolts and fire them in. Now a lot of people just run a circle up in there and have no issues, but like I said, I don't have one, and I will just use what I've got. Perfect. Now we'll stick on the case saver. That's how the case saver looks. And it comes with its own bolts to replace the standard ones. It comes with just wee 5mm Allen key bolts. I'm just going to put a wee drop of Loctite on them and fire them in. So these just get nipped up again, nothing too major. And there we have it. That's the B&B Off Road case saver installed. Now the main purpose of this is if the chain snaps, the chain hits this big chunk of aluminium rather than going through the case. That's why it's called a case saver. Side effect is it's easier to clean now, it's easier to see if you've got any oil leaks, it's easier to see if you have wearing out your chain slider, and also to check your front sprocket wear. I think it's quite a good bit of kit and could potentially save you a lot of money. Right there folks, that's me just finished the install of the B&B Off Road case saver and the 14-tooth front sprocket. All I had left to do was just adjust my chain and tighten the rear axle. That case saver looks pretty good. It's going to be more practical for cleaning and potentially save me a lot of money if my chain ever does snap. The 14-tooth front sprocket, now you've seen the wear on my old 15-tooth there, so that was need to be changed anyway. Lowering the gear into a 14-tooth just to see what it's like off-road. I may go back to a 15-tooth. I'm not sure yet. I'll try the 14-tooth out and see how I get on. I really don't want to lose the fuel economy of that again. Currently with that 25 litre tank I'm getting close to 600 kilometres out of it. So as long as the 14-tooth doesn't affect that too much and it helps me off-road, I may keep it. We'll wait and see. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Mind hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let me know in the comments what gear do you run in your DR650. Anyway guys, I'll see you all in the next one.